Hello guys, this is Saiful Islam. Welcome back again. Today we'll discuss about a program. Write a program, input a value, check the value is negative or positive. How we'll do this? In our previous tutorial, we have seen the control flow statement, how to use the if or else. Okay. In this video, we'll discuss about this. First of all, we have to initialize a value and we have to print enter a value. Okay, and second one is scanf. The integer, that was the this is the a is the integer value. We'll define a and we'll check if a is greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, then this value is a positive. Print it. The value is positive. Right? Else the printf value is negative. Right? Okay, let's see. Build and run. Enter a value. Just I'm using the 9. Okay, it's not working because when I'm using the condition, have to need like this: a is less than 0. Scanf a. Sorry, no, just have to need to use the ampersand. Okay, run and build again. Okay, press the 9, enter. The value is positive. Okay, the value is positive. If and again, if I press the -1, see, the value is negative. Cool. This is great. Thank you very much.